If you're looking for something hearty, flavorful, and easy on the wallet, you'll have to give this picadillo a try. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. First, we'll make my delicious, flavorful sauce, the backbone of this dish. To a blender, add the leafy part of 1 bunch of cilantro, 3 Roma tomatoes cut into quarters, 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon each of cumin, oregano, chicken bouillon, and tomato bouillon. Add 1 small can of tomato sauce and 1 cup of water. Now let's blend until smooth, just like this, then set aside for now. Before we head to the stove, be sure to dice half an onion and cube about 2 potatoes. Here's a quick tip. To prevent browning, put cut potatoes in water until you're ready to use them. In a large pan, I'm adding 2 pounds of ground beef. You want to break it up and start browning. As always, you can find ingredients and some of my favorite kitchen items in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. And if you haven't already, be sure to follow me on YouTube and TikTok. Once the meat is slightly pink and has released its grease, add your drained potatoes. Stir and cook a few minutes until the meat is no longer pink. Picadillo is a beloved budget-friendly dish with roots in Spanish and Latin American kitchens. The name picadillo comes from the Spanish word picar, meaning to chop or mince, reflecting its traditional preparation of finely ground meat and mix-ins. Once browned, remove any excess grease. Now we can add the onions. You don't want to add the onions before you drain the grease, otherwise the flavors of the onion would just get washed away if they sat in the fat. Saute the onions until fragrant. Pour in your blended sauce and 5 cups of water. Then we want to season with salt and pepper to taste. I usually add about half a tablespoon of salt. For a little kick, I add a whole jalapeno. It's milder. Cover and simmer on low heat for about 25 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Now, if the jalapeno is too spicy for you, remove it after 10 minutes or you can skip it altogether. After 25 minutes, our picadillo is looking great and smells delicious. You can taste and adjust seasoning if needed. If you'd like, garnish with a little cilantro for brightness. I like to serve mine with rice and beans. Now take a look. The sauce is bright and tangy, the potatoes soak up all the flavors, and the beef stays juicy. Oh, and sometimes I like to add corn to my picadillo. And let's not forget our warm flour tortillas to go with it. Would you try it? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!